Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Are you looking for an adorable and comfortable pair of ballet flats? Then I highly recommend these beautiful ballet flats from OJLMINE. Not only does this company provide you with a pair of shoes that you can wear all day, but they also come in enough styles and colors to match every outfit. I personally love the material that they're made out of. They're soft and pretty, and I love the little buckle in the front that just gives them a little pizzazz. I'm a huge fan of their durability. Because they match so many of my outfits, I wear them a lot. My job involves a lot of walking outdoors, and these shoes have not only been comfortable enough to wear for up to 8 hours a day, but also show no signs of the wear and tear that I've put them through. I love that they're versatile enough so that I can wear them to Bible study or a cute skirt, or I can dress them up with a pair of jeans for date night. So if you're in the market for a cute and comfortable pair of ballet flats, and let's face it, who isn't, then I highly recommend these beautiful flats.
And that's my point of view.